video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to be a pro in Monkey's Place VR. So yeah, mostly, I haven't been posting in a while because I keep forgetting to put the videos on YouTube. I know, it sucks, but yeah. So the first thing you'll want to go to this map. I forgot how I got to it, but just go to any map. Go on the zipline, and if there's one of these things, just slide on it or try and get on it. It takes a while. It happened to me before. So yeah. So mostly it works in this map because there's so many, you can literally see one everywhere. I haven't played this game in a while, so yeah. But yeah, if they're like, so I usually go on a banana platform. I go on one of these vines. I keep sliding on them. I jump off from the trees. Then I just fly through. You can start really anywhere you want. I just start far from I'll show you. So either if someone's trying to get the bananas from me, I can slide down this. I can grab onto that thing. Then I can fly through the whole map. Whee! Well, so yeah. And it's okay, if you miss it, don't, get so mad because you missed it and, you won't have the chance to do it again. Just think, you'll have time again to finish it, as long as you remember. Now, all my friends on the headset, they've been questioning me and telling me to do the whole map. So, I'll start at the corner because they said the whole map. Alright, good. Then I'll just need to go sideways. I'll need to fling myself left or right. I'll take this one. Alright. Oh god. I will! I gotta go. So bye.